How does Japan build the world's largest double-deck bullet train, the Shinkansen E4 Max? Every E4 Max begins as raw aluminum structures before advanced engineering transforms it into a high-speed train.
Heavy CNC saws slice raw aluminum extrusions to create structural profiles for the train frame.
Precision machines cut aluminum beams to maintain exact alignment required for high-speed rail assembly. Digital monitoring systems verify each cut to maintain strict engineering tolerances for high-speed rail.
Aluminum structural profiles are prepared for integration into the lower chassis assembly. Robotic friction stir welding joins aluminum floor planks to form the structural base of the train chassis. Industrial sensors scan each weld seam to maintain precise alignment of the high-speed rail chassis.
Robotic welding of the lower deck chassis is complete, and the structural base of the train is secure. Heavy factory cranes position vertical aluminum ribs to form the double-deck body structure of the E4 train. Robotic welding systems secure vertical ribs to support the upper passenger deck of the E4 train. The double-deck structural skeleton of the E4 train body is now fully established.
はい、もう少し右にね、ゆっくり下げてください。はい、確認しましたね。
Vacuum suction lifters position large aluminum panels to begin enclosing the tall double-deck body shell.
Robotic riveting systems secure aluminum sidewalls to the vertical ribs, forming the pressurized body shell. The double-deck aluminum body shell is now enclosed and prepared for the installation of the nose structure. Precision jigs align curved aluminum plates to form the blunt, rounded, aerodynamic nose of the E4 train. Orbital sanding machines smooth welded seams of the aluminum E4 nose shell to refine aerodynamic surface precision.
The scan is complete up to the waterline.
Data confirms the aerodynamic profile matches the specifications. Fabrication of the blunt rounded E4 aerodynamic nose shell is complete and ready for body integration.
Torque-controlled tools tighten structural bolts, securing the traction motor to the steel bogie frame. Traction motors are installed into the steel bogie frame to power the high-speed rail wheel sets.
The reinforced bogie assembly is complete, and ready for later integration with the train body. Gantry cranes lower the unfinished double-deck aluminum body shell toward the bogie frames for precise alignment. Hydraulic locking tools secure suspension linkages between the aluminum chassis frame and the mechanical bogie assemblies.
The leveling at this corner is confirmed. Within acceptable deviation. Let's move to the rear bogie.
The structural body and bogie assemblies are aligned and secured for the next stage of system installation. Automated routing systems pull heavy wiring looms through the structural frame to supply both interior decks.
Industrial jigs secure the structural stairwell connecting the lower and upper passenger decks.
測定完了しました。150ミリです。はい、確認しました。
Interior structural routing is complete, and the vehicle is prepared for roof module installation. Robotic systems install high-voltage roof modules onto the structural roof frame of the train.
Precision gauges calibrate the pantograph base mounting plate in the rear roof equipment zone of the train.
The routing trays are aligned precisely according to the plans.
I agree. The data confirms the verification is complete.
Roof system installation is complete, and the vehicle moves to the coating stage. Industrial coating begins as the unfinished E4 Max enters the controlled railway paint facility. robotic paint systems apply the protective white coating across the aluminum body panels.
The ventilation systems seem to be stabilizing the final layers perfectly.
The readings on the control panel conform optimal curing temperature. Laser scanning systems verify the exterior geometry of the completed E4 Max train. High-pressure water systems test the sealing integrity of the train body structure. Engineers activate the headlight system to confirm electrical integration readiness. Factory validation confirms the E4 Max is cleared for operational deployment. The completed E4 Max leaves the factory after final validation and manufacturing clearance. Powerful traction systems accelerate the E4 Max onto the high-speed railway network. The E4 Max continues Japan's legacy of engineering excellence in high-speed rail. NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.